Hello and welcome to Outside In. My name is Steven, and I had a viewer, his name is Jesse, contacted me about his Oho sunshine glasses and said that they was not working, and he sent them to me to see if I could find out what was going on. But as you can see, I have so many projects going on that I haven't had much of a chance to get to these in depth yet. I was also waiting on Oho. I contacted Oho for what I found so far with these, and they have absolutely not returned any of my emails, so it looks as though I'm on my own to try to figure this out. So I'm hoping at this point that there's something wrong with the SD card inside of these glasses. What I want to do, I want to take these apart and remove the SD card and check that out to see if that may be what the issue is. I've already plugged these into my computer, and it is showing a config file but no folders for videos or photos. So what I did was, let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit better. I tried to format these using the config file, but it's doing nothing. So like I said, I'm hoping that it is the SD card that is bad, because that's the reason that I contacted Oho, because I was thinking that it could be the firmware could have gotten corrupt, and I was asking them if they could send me a firmware file so I could reflash these and how to do that. But so far they have not returned any of my emails. But get this card out of here, run some tests on it to see if maybe it has bad sectors, or maybe it just needed to be taken out and put back in. Okay, before I put this back together, I want to take the SD card, and this is a SanDisk 32 gig, put that in the computer, and then maybe the card is bad. Let's go to the computer. Okay, all right, so let's put this card in the computer and see. Yeah, the config file is the only thing that shows up in this card, and I put a Y there for, and then a Y here to reformat it, stuck it in the glasses, but it absolutely did nothing. So let us do a scan on this card and see if there's anything wrong with it. And at this point I'm hoping there is, because that would be an easy fix. All right, so let's scan it and see. Oh boy, I bet it's not going to find any issues. Scan service complete, no errors found. Okay, well, no problems with the SD card. All right, so first, let me clean the contacts just in case. Okay, that's no dirt on the Q-tip, so. But anyway, there might be a small little bit of film on there keeping it from working correctly. Let me get this circuit board out of here. Wow. Oh boy, that looks... It looks like, yeah, this part of the board is all corroded, so I think that's the issue. It looks like it's like a microcontroller for power, and it's blown, and it looks like it blows several capacitors next around it. Yeah, so this board is bad. That's what's causing the issue. So this is so tiny, I don't even know if the camera can pick that up or not. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it was all corroded in there, so it's shorting out the rest of the board. Even the little, looks like capacitors and some resistors around here are all blown as well, melted. This whole board is discolored right here, and it's right here where the glass was bending, and it looked to me like wire were laying on top of each other and they were being squished down, and I think they shorted out. It was just lots and lots of corrosion under there, so that must have been going on for a while. So yeah, the board is gone, and I'm sure it'd be cheaper to buy another pair of glasses than to try to repair this. But like I said, Oho has not gotten back to me, so I have no idea what to do at this point. So I'll contact Jesse and let him know what I found, and I can send him back all this plus the SD card so he can have, because the SD card is good. I guess I didn't need Oho after all. I was able to figure this out. So I'll contact Jesse, let him know what I found, because you can see right there, look, in the glasses, all that corrosion worked its way down into the plastic. I'm thinking what happened is these two wires right here, that's kind of weird design. I don't know if you can even see those tiny little wires right there. One is a hot and one is a ground coming from inside the glasses here, and it's right on the hinge. And I think when the glasses were closed, it was shorting out, and I didn't even realize it until I unplugged this. And that's when I saw that. And then when I took the board out, that's when I saw all the corrosion around here, and that's when you saw me cleaning it up with alcohol so I could see it better. And yeah, it's completely destroyed. This chip is destroyed, and the looks like capacitors and some resistors around it are all melted as well. So yeah, these glasses are unfortunately probably be cheaper just to buy another pair of glasses. Okay, so anyway, there you go, Jesse. Man, that sucks that it turns out to be that. I was so hoping it was going to be the SD card. So Jesse, you have my email. Just let me know what you want to do. I'll ship this back to you with the SD card. So at least you can use the SD card for something. There's no use even putting the SD card back in here. Yeah, I don't know. With this shorting out like this, I'm going to have to pull this battery out over here too, because I don't want anything like this battery catching on fire. So let's pull the battery out of this thing. It's hard to get all this in the camera. Yeah, I keep looking over and seeing I'm not in the camera. Yeah, these glasses look like they have some age to them, so Jesse's probably had these for a while, I would say. On my glasses, I have a video where I show the battery, but I don't remember mine being like this. Look at those two little wires right there. They just have this thin little coating on them, and you can see if the camera will show it. One's like a gold color, copper color wire, and the other one's like a red, but they're bare wires with just a little bit of covering over them, and they're twisted together. So possibly even this side shorted out the board. That's what I'm thinking, because I don't remember my glasses being like this, having those wires crossed up like that, especially on a lithium battery. They should not be twisted like that together. From what I can tell anyway, they look frayed. And they're right here in the bin too. So wow, what a poor design on this one. I don't remember mine being like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this battery out, because when it comes to lithium polymer batteries, you definitely don't want to be having to deal with a shorted lithium polymer battery. That is a fire hazard. All right, so anyway, Jesse, just let me know what you want me to do. These glasses are beyond repair, I believe, for the price anyway, for what it would cost to fix these, because this whole board would have to be replaced. All right, Jesse, well, I hope that clarified that there's an issue with these glasses, and probably be cheaper just to buy another pair than to try to send these back and get that board replaced. All right, so there you go. Boy, I wish this would have went a lot better. I was hoping that it was just going to be the SD card. Sometimes the fix that we need is not a simple one, unfortunately. Okay, so that's it. Find someone who needs a reason. Give them that reason. Thank you for stopping by Outside In. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Find someone that needs a hug. Make it happen. God blesses everyone. And I will see you in the next one.